Hello everyone, Namaste. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon for new video notifications. So today I will be sharing a beautiful trending column design wall decor idea. So for this, all you need is a wooden frame, acrylic paint, normal paint brush, zero size brush and white pencil. So here I have taken an old wooden frame from my puja room area. You can use any type of wooden frames you have. So first here I am coating the wooden board with the red color acrylic paint and I let it dry for some time and I gave another red color coat. Once it is dried completely, I started doing column by using white pencil. First I tried with the regular pencil and I couldn't see the picture properly, so I chose this white pencil. You have to be patient while doing this. If you are not confident, use paint pens. They are easily available everywhere. I will provide all the material links in the description box. I got this image from Pinterest. Why I selected this design is because it is unique from other column designs and I liked it so much. I got inspired by so many people for this decor idea. Thank you so much everyone for inspiring. I really liked it so much. So I just wanted to give it a try and it came out really good. If you like it too, please like the video and leave your comments. I decorated this frame in my puja room area. You can decorate anywhere and whichever you like. So that's it for today's video. I hope you all enjoy this video. Thank you so much for watching. See you all in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye.